gentlemen, boys and girls, quilters and sewers alike, the carnival is leaving town. Super important. You have 1 week to join us for the Carnival Mystery. This has been the best experience so far. All of our detectives have ridden their log flumes. They've ridden those Ferris wheels off into the sky. We've been eating our funnel cake and not gaining any weight because it is fat-free. We are loving the Carnival Mystery and we want you to join us. You have just 7 days before the carnival leaves town for good. If you miss the carnival, you have to wait months for the next mystery to come into town. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell everyone you know. Carnival is leaving soon and it is not to be missed. All of our PMQs are pre-cut. All you have to do is sit and sew. It is as magical as the carnival from your childhood. Get on the bus. Do not miss out. This is super important. We cannot wait to see you. Let us know if you have any questions. Farewell.